Hello everyone, today we'll see how to make the bubble maker machine of this Cocomelon work. So let's start. We have to get 3 batteries and then the solution is there with the toy. So first we open this screw on the back of the machine, and we would need 3 AA size battery for this machine to operate. So here goes the batteries 1, 2 and 3, and then we put it back. So make sure this fits properly, and then tighten the screws so that it doesn't come out. Okay, so now the battery is in and we are ready with the machine. Now we'll open this solution which we get along with the machine itself. So we'll open the solution, and now I have the solution open. So that's good enough for this longer pipe to go inside the solution. So I'll put it in and then just rotate it to tighten, and it's now tightened. So now we'll go ahead and open the switch.